Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus in a Billet Silver exterior. It rides on 17-inch Yokohama all-season tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving you 283 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power mirrors, power windows, and your power locks. The Grand Caravan comes with premium leather and suede seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get power seats and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, and on the left, you have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls. Moving into the odometer reading, it comes with 15,375 kilometers. The Grand Caravan comes with the Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When you put the vehicle into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. When we go here, you get a nav that helps you where you need to go. Down below, you have your climate control system, which is a tri-zone system. So you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear. Moving to the second row, it comes with 2 captain chairs, and as we move to the back, you get 3 more seats. For entertainment purposes, we have a DVD entertainment system right here. And once you're done in the back, there's a button that activates the power sliding door. Moving to the trunk area, there's plenty of space with storage along the side. With the third row, it can be used for Sto N Go, as well as the second row. Once you're done in the back, pressing this button activates the power liftgate. There you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. If you like what you see, I'd like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come on down to Tower Chrysler. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.